Hello everyone. This is the part 7 Common Operators in C Sharp. In this video, we are going to understand conditional operator and logical operator. In my last video, I have explained about arithmetic operator, relational operator, and assignment operator. If you have not seen it, I recommend you to check my video part 7a. Now let's check what is conditional operators. It is ternary operator, which is shorthand version of if-else statement. It has three operands and hence the name ternary. It will return one of two values depending on the value of a Boolean expression. This is the syntax. Condition, question mark, first expression, colon, second expression. Let's look this within an example. To save our time, I have written a sample of conditional operator. We copy this code and we paste in our Visual Studio. So this is conditional operator. The syntax was condition, question mark, first expression, colon, second expression, so to understand this conditional operator, we have to declare a variable integer, and I have declared three variables. X is equals to 5, first variable, and y is equals to 10, and the third one is result, which is going to give us the result. The first one is to find which value is greater between x and y. To do that, we need to declare the result, and here is our condition: x is greater than y, question mark, x semicolon y. To get the result, we use console.writeLine class and we pass the value of result in console.line class. And to check to find which value is less than between x and y, we use result is equals to, this is our conditional operator, this is the condition of the syntax, x is less than y, question mark, x or y. Let me explain you what it is condition, what is first expression and second expression. Condition is, if condition is true, condition, it must be evaluated to true or false. If condition is true, first expression is evaluated and becomes the result. If condition is false, second expression evaluated and becomes the result. Let's run our program to see our results. Here we go. This is the first answer. Which one is the greater than between x and y? So it will check for the first expression, and if it is true, it returns true. If it is false, it will go to the next expression and it will check if it's greater than or not. So our answer is for the greater value between x and y is equals to 10. And for the less, it gave the answer y. It go to the first expression, evaluate. If it's true, it give the answer 5. Now let's check what is logical operator. They are used to combine two or more condition, constraint, or to complement the evaluation of the original condition in consideration. We have following logical operator, and this is the operator of and this is the example we use in our code. We have or, this is the to pipeline, we use for the operator for OR, and we use this as example. This is the not, and this is the operator symbol, not, and then we use this way to use in our code. Let's look at this example. Let's look at the sample and check how it works the logical operator. To save our time, I have already written a code and I will copy it and paste it in a Visual Studio so that we understand the code. So let's go one by one. Logical operator, we have to use Boolean for this. I have used Boolean. A is equals to true, B is equals to false, and result. These are the three variables that we have declared. And now let's use AND operator. This operator returns true when both conditions is satisfied, otherwise return false. If you look, result is equals to A to ampersand B. This is the symbol for the AND operator. And look at these two conditions. If both are true, then it's going to if the both conditions is satisfied. If they are true, it's going to return true. Otherwise, it's going to return as false. To check, we need to use console.writeLine method and operator, and we are going to pass the value. We are going to pass the result in the here, and we'll run our program. In the meanwhile, now let's see OR operator. This operator returns true when one or both condition is satisfied. Otherwise, return false. In operator, if you look, we have A or B. One condition is true, another condition is false. It must be one of the conditions should be true, and then it's going to return as true. Otherwise, it's going to return as false. And we use this auto pipeline for the OR operator A or B. And we are going to use console.writeLine OR operator, and we pass the result as the value. We'll run our program to check our answer. Now we have another operator, logical NOT operator. This operator return true when condition is not satisfied, otherwise return false. Result is equals to not A. It should not satisfy the condition, or it's going to return as true. Console.writeLine NOT operator plus result. To read our answer, we use console.writeLine method. Now let's run our program to see all of this answer. Here we go. AND operator returns as false because the both conditions were not satisfied. OR operator gave us the true because one of the condition has satisfied the condition of OR operator, and the NOT operator return as false because it should not satisfy the conditioning. So it's returned to us false. Thank you for listening to this video. We'll see in another video.